The air unit enables the push from that point to this point where the material will be dropping directly on the screw conveyor you are seeing inside the plate. So if you look at this unit very well, you discover that it's a very unique unit. It's an automatic system. Are you getting me now? Now, this screw conveyor will now pick the material from the grinder. And from this point, it goes straight to the mixer. This is where the grinded material, raw material is mixed with other amino acids. Those ones that cannot be grinded. I'm talking about the material that cannot be grinded. This is where they mix together. And once they mix here, then the next thing, it drops on this screw conveyor. And from this screw conveyor, it goes straight to this bucket you are seeing. And from this bucket to the preconditioner. This is where we have the extruder machine for fish meal production. This is an heavy duty machine, a gigantic machine at that does the wonder that I have been explaining so far to you. And from this bucket, it goes straight to the preconditioner. This is the preconditioner to this extruder machine. And let me tell you what the preconditioner does. A preconditioner is like a fancy mixer whereby grounded fish meal processing material, water, and steam mix together. And once this is done, because this thing happens fast inside here, under seconds, you see it, it happens, the mixing, both with water and steam. It happens fast, and when it occurs, it moves straight to the extruder unit of this extruder. Here we have the extrusion unit, where the extrusion unit extrude the film. And here at this point, we have the shaping assembly. And inside the shaping assembly, we have the dies, which is called mold, together with cutter blade and cutter motor. And once the feed is coming out through the extrusion unit, it comes out through the dies. As such, the cutter blade, they cut it into sizes, and the feed start coming out through this point. So from this point, the feed will move straight to the dryer. Look at